Alfalfa, what's the tallest animal in the world?
That's easy, Bubbles. An elephant walking on stilts.
What? Elephants don't walk on stilts.
They might if they want to be the tallest animal in the world.
That would just be an elephant on stilts pretending to be the tallest animal in the world. And they don't use stilts.
I think our friend Tuba has something to say about that. Look, she's heading toward us.
Uh-oh. We better get out of the way. Hurry!
Tuba did tell me she has a new hobby.
Guess she does. Let's do another animal.
How about a giraffe?
No, a giraffe doesn't need stilts. It's already really tall.
Good point. How about something smaller, like a cat?
What if the cat decides it wants to eat us? Like, snack time.
Yikes! Bad idea!
What about a really tiny animal, like an ant?
An ant on stilts? How would that even work?
Like that. Check it out. Here come Anton and Antonella.
Wow! Look at them go!
That was cool.
One more!
I've got one. An octopus.
Yeah, but it would need more than 2 stilts.
Look, it's Oscar.
Wow, he's fast! That was awesome! So much fun! Let's try it!
You okay, Alfalfa?
Yeah, but that's the last time I try that!
Me too!